The second best practices is generic statistical business process model, or GSBPM. In this slide, we can see the latest version of GSBPM is 5.1. As we know, GSBPM describes and defines the set of business processes needed to produce official statistics. It provides a standard framework and harmonized terminology to help statistical organizations to modernize their statistical production processes, as well as to share method and component to another survey. GSBPM can also use for integrating data and metadata standards, or as a template for process documentation, for harmonizing statistical computing infrastructure, and to provide a framework for process quality assessment and improvement. So based on that explanation before, we can draw understanding the GSBPM as three parts. First, GSBPM is a collection of related and structured activities and tasks to convert input data into statistical information. We should know GSBPM should be applied and interpreted flexibly. It's not a rigid framework in which all steps must be followed in a strict order. Instead, it identifies the possible steps in the statistical business process and the interdependencies between them. No, not yet, Bu Ita. Okay. The GSBPM can be viewed as a checklist to make sure that all necessary steps have been considered, and GSBPM is a collection of activity components that can be reused for the next survey activity. Next, for this one is GSBPM earlier, version 5.0. BPS adapt and adopt this version to create our own standard business process. We name it SBFA, Statistical Business Process Framework Architecture. For your information, actually Pak Anang is one of the founder of this SBFA. Good morning, Pak Anang. From a diagram showing the 8 phases of statistical business process. We can see a blue box, it's named level 1, and the sub-processes within each phase at level 2. Furthermore, GSBPM recognizes several overarching processes with a strong statistical component that apply throughout the 8 phases. We can see at the top of the diagram, green one, overarching processes. These overarching processes included quality management. This process includes quality assessment and control mechanism. It recognizes the importance of evaluation and feedback throughout the statistical business process. And second, metadata management. Metadata are created or reused and processed within each phase. Therefore, a strong requirement for a metadata management system to ensure the appropriate metadata retain their link with data throughout the GSBPM. Third, data management. This includes process independent considerations such as general data security, custodian and ownership, data quality, archiving rules, preservation, retention, and disposal. Fourth, process data management. This includes activities of registering, systematizing, and using data about the implementation of the statistical business process. Process data can aid in detecting and understanding patterns in the data collected, as well as in evaluating the execution of statistical business process. And the last, fifth, knowledge management. This ensures that statistical business processes are repeatable, mainly through the maintenance of process documentation.